Ghislaine Maxwell to take the stand and give evidence in sex trafficking trial. Sources close to Ghislaine Maxwell say she has no fear of giving evidence in her defense at the trial, which is due to start Monday. The British socialite denies all of the offences. By Louis Smith, news reporter 2228, 28th of November 202. Ghislaine Maxwell is said to be considering giving evidence in her defense at the trial of the decade, which is due to get underway on Monday. Sources close to the British socialite say she has no fear of taking the stand in the sex trafficking case in the U.S. Maxwell, 59, allegedly recruited underage girls for her former boyfriend Jeffrey Epstein to abuse. She could be jailed for up to 80 years if she is convicted of the sex trafficking and child sex offenses. A source close to her said, Ghislaine is absolutely prepared to take the stand. She is prepared to do whatever it takes to save her own life. She has never shied away from the truth, and she is looking forward to her day in court. Ghislaine is not overconfident by any means, but she knows she is telling the truth. She has no fear about getting in the witness box. Convicted sex offender Epstein was found hanged in a jail cell in America in 2019 after being held on suspicion of sex trafficking of minors. The U.S. financier had a host of high-profile friends and associates. Maxwell is on remand in the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, New York. She has spent the past 16 months in custody after being arrested in July last year. The trial in Manhattan is expected to last 6 weeks. Maxwell is facing 6 counts relating to 4 alleged victims. The charges include allegedly transporting a minor with the intent to engage in criminal sexual activity, and 1 of conspiracy to commit the same offense. There is 1 count of enticing a minor to travel to engage in illegal sex acts, and 1 of conspiracy to commit the same offense. There is 1 count of sex trafficking and 1 of sex trafficking conspiracy. Maxwell denies all of the offenses, which relate to alleged incidents between 1994 and 2004. Prosecutors are set to use 6 pages of Epstein's notorious Black Book of Contacts. More than 80 journalists are expected to arrive for the start of the trial on Monday. Maxwell, pictured with a black eye in a jail photo released in court papers in April, is understood to have set aside at least £5 million to cover legal bills for her defense team. She also faces 2 counts of perjury, which are set to be dealt with at a second trial. To find out more, please follow the links on screen and in the description. Together, let's make sure justice is served.